Nigerians are blaming Igbo king for the reason behind the deportation of huge numbers of Nigerians in Ghana. Guys, like joke, this issue they become something else. So, no be small matter be this, oh guys. Hey, this is really serious. You see what we are talking about, right? We are saying this man should just lay low. He should apologize to Ghanaians because you can't be in another man's country and claim to be a king. They don't want. What you should do is to calm down. Calm down. Do what they want in their country, not what you want. You are a Nigerian, you are not a Ghanaian. Now it's affecting the rest of the Nigerians in Ghana. Guys, this is really sad. But then let me allow you watch the video, and please at the end of it, kindly drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch.
Breaking news: 231 Nigerians has been deported to Nigerians from Ghana to Nigerians. Before I continue, I want you to watch this.
Hello, how are you? Welcome to your country. Okay? I know you've gone through a very tough time. You were all trafficked to Ghana, right? In search of what you didn't expect you were going to do, right? So don't be ashamed of yourselves. Look up. You'll be better persons by the grace of God. You are all young boys with a future. So I want you to, hold your heads up. So what we're doing today is receiving you on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He cares about your welfare, and as one does that, every Nigerian at home or abroad needs to, no matter your circumstances. But I want to advise you, my dear brothers and a few sisters here, there's nothing out there. Some of the places they are telling you to go, Nigeria is much better than those places. And you know that. You know your experience from where you're coming from. But let me thank the Ghanaian authorities for rescuing you, for taking care of you, and now we're glad you're back home. Now, NAPTIP, who will be responsible for you after this, will definitely, profile you and all that. But I want to tell you that your transportation here was made possible by Wema Bank. Please, Wema Bank, please come. This is a large number, 231. They paid every cover for you to come back, as well as the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who gave us a bus to bring you back. Wema Bank, please come. Come. But that's not all. Courtesy of Wema Bank, I have food for you. Let me have one. Who is the most hungry person here? so we're going to give you food packs. We're going to give you, of course, water and a lot more from NAPTIP. And also, you're going to get stipends, a little money in your pockets, very small, to take you back home.
I have a problem with this. You know the problem I get? Una don't bring people from Nigeria, from Ghana to Nigeria because of human trafficking. Abi, boys, I guess. See the comment wey una dey make. You see Nigeria people. You see the reason. All those people will also find solution of going back to Ghana or going back to anywhere, because in another country, in other countries, even in Ghana, when issue like this happen, the government will feast them. We try to empower them, give them something that will sustain them, if it is learning of job or anything, so that they will not even think about going back or doing anything. But yeah, see what they talk. They give them food. Now food, now they provide for them to eat. And small money where they will take transport go their various places. Okay. What shows that these people will never think about to go back, no matter the experience where they get? What shows? Nigeria's government, I beg now. Not be say the money no dey to make things possible. If single man, a very dark man, to be can be making Nigeria proud. If very dark man can be doing something to empower the youth, what about government? VDM can be helping one another with small money wey people dey even dey dash am, with small money wey social media dey give am. Na only Facebook dey give am money, not be even TikTok or any other social media. If we can be doing all this, what about our government, where they get access to the resources of Nigeria? Sometimes more than they think about human being, as Ghana leader, they think about their people. Even though not be 100%, at least if 50%. More than they think about una citizens. Na only wey campaign dey go on, now una dey share money, dey make things possible. If campaign just finish, gbam. Na because of this whole story na im make Nigeria dey celebrate rich men, and dem dey celebrate money more than human being. The deportation transport sef no be government pay, na bank na im pay. At the end of the day, for government to even for the politicians to even fit give them money wey dem go fit take learn work or even take start business, no. See children, when una go think about the welfare of Nigerians, because of this Igbo king of 18, 63 days I never fit sleep. You see the way my eye be now, my eye dirty, I no get joy.
My brother, what you said makes sense. It makes sense. But I don't think we should be expecting that from Nigerian government. For all I'm concerned, everybody's on his own in Nigeria. So anybody that will step his foot into Nigeria and be expecting Nigerian government to help him in one way or the other, the person oyo for him, I'm telling you. Because when you are expecting them to do something, they will not do. Why? Because most of those politicians you are seeing don't help people they do not know. They help their family and themselves. Most of them are keeping wealth. They are keeping money to sustain their family in generations to come. People that have that kind of mind, what would you be expecting from that person? I kept bringing this issue back whenever I'm talking about issues that concern Nigeria. See, everybody there on their own for that country, with my following point of view. There was a day I traveled to Nigeria, right, from Ghana. Before I decided to settle down in Ghana, I was visiting Ghana and returning back to Nigeria. So one of the time I was returning back to Nigeria, I got robbed just by Badagry and Mile 2 Road. Those of you that know Lagos very well, yes, that road. I was robbed and the driver took us to a police station in Mile 2. Yes, it's not a station, but they call it a police post, right? So when we got there, he just dropped us and run. That driver who dropped us and left, he was a suspect, because why would he drop us and just leave us there instead of you to make sure that you hand us over to the police or where that is safe? But he just dropped us and he left. So that made us think that the man is suspicious. Like maybe he was the one that handed us over to the thieves. He's aware of the robbery and all. So on reaching to the police station, we knock and they lock their door. So we knock. The lady came out. We told her we are being robbed. This is da, 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 da. So she was not like, we asked if she can kindly let us in so we can spend the night. Just for this night, the next morning we'll go to our various destinations. This woman didn't let us in, and her reasons was she don't know us. What if we are armed robbers and we are coming in to the station and rob her? Oh my God. And everything was taken away from us. We don't have money, nothing. The fear and trauma that we are passing through as at that time, it was horrible, guys. That's how we stood outside the police post till the following day. We even asked her for her phone so I can call my mom. She said no, that she can't help me. That thing broke me. So since that day, I told myself, whenever I'm in Nigeria, I'm on my own. So this information, I'm stretching it out for people so they will have that kind of mindset inside of them. Nobody in Nigeria will help you because everybody is running up and down in Nigeria trying to look for what to help him or her. Hey, that country, no be country where person go live. I wonder how people are living in that country. I'm serious. I wonder why. Because no be one problem, no be two problem, no be three problem, no be. See, the government is no more the problem, but we the Nigerians, look at what is happening in Ghana. Look at this Igbo king now. If we are not the problem, waiting consign Nigerian king for Ghana. Waiting consign that one. If not because Ghanaians opened their arms for him. That's what gave him the right to come and be claiming some kind of things here in Ghana. Hey! I don't know why I always bring this king matter inside my videos. It's because they pay me. They pay me because I they look at waiting go happen. It's even happening right now. Look at what they took huge numbers of Nigerians back home. How sure are you that it's not going to affect us too? Even we that have papers, How sure are we? Guys, I've come to the end of my video. The room is open for you to let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Do well to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many eyes out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you guys always. Bye bye.